Okay, bro, let's go to GBP JPY trade breakdown. Oh, I don't have it here. This is the trade. You can see the update now. Sorry for the background noise. First off, let's start from weekly. I start from weekly, monthly, any time frame. It depends on the chart. But for this particular trade, I started from the weekly. Now on the weekly, you can see this is a market structure shift. Initially, we were in an uptrend, making higher highs and higher lows, series of higher highs and higher lows, right? Up until this point. This is a low. Oh, this low is not even valid up until this point, right? Then the market reversed, breaking this particular low, the last low, right? So this is where we had our market structure shift down here. After the structure shift, the market price pulled back. Price pulled back. This is our inducement, right? Price created our inducement, and then the other block from weekly. This is the trade setup. Now this is what I call my bias storyline, whatever, but this is like my trade map for the week, right? So after this, I'll scale down to the daily 4 hours for a smaller trade, right? Because the weekly is big and it will take a lot of time. So this is the 4 hours. Here now, this is where I got the trade. Now make I switch to pidgin, I beg. I know they speak to you. So now here now I get the trade, right? So when the markets they approach our POI, for the sales, weekly sales, you see we are still making series of higher highs and higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher low, another higher high, then lower low. You see, right? This lower low now is indicating that the market, the trend is about to change. But now I didn't just change trend without seeing anything. I'm changing my trend because of the weekly sell bias. Then I want my 4 hours to align with that weekly, right? Now we still got our MSS here, market structure shift on the 4 hours right here. The pullback here. This is the pullback. I mean our inducement. Now the breaker block, which is this POI that I marked out. The market was moving down. People were trading this place. People were trading all the price actions here, but I waited patiently for this swing trade here. I didn't want to trade the noise. Normally I will go down to 30 minutes, 1 hour and still trade this particular trend, but I wasn't really active, so I just wanted to catch the swing and hold till take profit, right? So now after the ranging the inducements, the market came back to my POI, the 4 hours POI for the sales. for the sales. You see, this is a 1:8 trade. 1:8 trade. Remember, we have our weekly bias, and after this take profit, our weekly bias is not yet over because it's meant to sell all the way down to this point for the weekly, but it might take months or even years to get here. So we'll be on the 4 hours or daily. We'll be getting our bias from the 4 hours or daily. So after this trade, like if this trade now hits take profit, we'll wait for another bias, either from here, market might pull back from here, this breaker block, buy, our bias will change to buy. Then on the 30 minutes and 1 hour, we'll be buying until the market gets to another 4 hours breaker block here to continue its sales. Doing that, the market will also be creating trend for the 4 hours, like moving down after the lower low, market will pull back for another lower high, then down, lower low, up, another lower high. While market is doing this, we will be on the 30 minutes catching trades, also using the same structure, liquidity and PO, like catching trades until the trend is clear, right? That's how I catch the trade. I mean the basics. There are other rules that I can't go into details now because of time and my storage, right? So that's it.